Okay, we've arrived. Today, we've talked to the right person, the guy that owns this trailer park and RV park. We'll tell you about him later. But he knows the area like the back of his hand, and he's got us about a bunch of different places to go. We're going to start out at the Amerind Museum. It's an Indian museum and foundation. We're going to start out there, and who knows where we'll go from there. But we've got plenty of places to go today, and we're going to take you to them. So down the road we go. This is like a dude ranch that's got a grill, a bar and grill in it. I think it's only open on the weekend, but there's signs coming in here. Many famous people stayed here. John Wayne.
310 to Yuma was filmed here.
310 to Yuma was filmed here. Kix Brooks stayed here. Roy Rogers and Dale Evans stayed here. So it's a dude ranch, like, I guess. We're about to find out. And it's among the rocks. Okay, we're at the Triple T Dude Ranch, and they also have a bar here and saloon and grill that they have open on Saturday. So we thought we'd take a look around. We were recommended to come up here and check it out. So here we are. We're going to check it out. Apparently there's been some movies that were filmed up here. One is 310 to Yuma. So we're going to go down the path over there if it's not too far. So here's the main bar. They also have camping down here. And it looks like that full hookups. So we'll try to find out as much information as we can. Say when it's open, or? Oh, okay, Saturday only. There's some people down there. The scenery is gorgeous out here among these rocks. This sign says 310 to Yuma movie set. Let's take a walk down here. Apparently people are driving down there, so it may be too far to walk. We'll find out. Boulders. Man, they got the boulders. There's a little bit of a breeze, but hopefully the camera's not picking it up. Okay, this is supposed to be the 310 to Yuma movie set. But I don't recall them selling beer, but that's all right. Pretty cool place. If you're into dude ranches and, you know, I guess being out here in the boonies, great place to go. Very quiet, running among the rocks. And it looks like, you know, at least they have a bar and a grill that's open. They said something about breakfast someplace, so.
We'll be back in there.
Right. Okay, let's head on to the next destination, which is the Amerind Indian Museum, which is right down the road from here.
sites are nice. They got dump
Yeah.
stations.
Yeah. All the sites are full service. They've got dump stations, electric, water. They come with their own road apples. So, what more could you want? Huh?
We could have got a brochure.
Yeah. That's a place to put your animals so that you can get them out of your trailer if you have horses. Pretty cool. We're at the Amerind Museum and Research Center. And the dirt road. We got something about dirt roads on this trip.
Museum.
3/4 of a mile, open 10 to 4, Tuesday, Sunday, closed on Monday. More big boulders. Okay, we've arrived at the Amerind Museum and Art Gallery. Check it out. This door is super old. It's a Spanish door. They dated it AD 1650. It's amazing. This is the front of the art museum. Got a lot of cool looking art in there. Like I said, we're not allowed to take pictures inside, but we can take all we want outside. So, museum and everything is nestled in all these rocks up in the mountains. It's cool and breezy today, and here's the entrance to the museum. This is the art gallery. Like I said, this is the museum. What's nice is they have a picnic area over here too. So we'll go check that out. Reminds me of Joshua Tree with the big boulders there. I'll have more information in the comments below. I'll give you all the information from their website. Pretty interesting place. Good place to go and spend some time and relax. See some good Indian art and some artifacts. Very cool. Really beautiful place though. You really need to come here. The Amerind Indian Museum and Art Gallery on Dracoon Road off of I-10. Just before either you get to Benson or not too long after you leave Benson. Depends on if you're going east or west. We were in Benson, so we left and went east on 10, and it's about 15 miles up here, and here we are.